All right, problem number 15. This is a triangle. That should be pretty obvious. It has three sides. You'd be amazed, though. Some people will try to label that as a rhombus or it's a triangle. It's got three sides. Tri means three. Okay? It's got three angles. That's really why it's called a triangle. Anyways, the area of a triangle is just going to be 1/2 times the base times the altitude height. The altitude height is going from a vertex across to the base, forming a 90-degree angle. That distance of that line is 4.5, so that is my altitude height, and then my base is 6. So I'm going to say A is equal to 1/2 times 6 times 4.5. 1/2 of 6 is 3. Times 4.5. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 0.5 is 1.5. 12 plus 1.5 is 13.5 miles squared. Let's just double check that to make sure. I'm going to say 6 divided by 2 times 4.5. Yep, 13.5. That's what it is. Oops. So the area of that triangle is 13.5 miles squared. That's a big triangle. 13.5 miles.